Hello, everybody. It's Mike Kilgore coming to you with Anthony Brzozowski with 850 Softwash and Pressure Washing up here in Panama City. And the reason that I'm here is to explain to you that Anthony is a master certified contractor. And what does that mean? That means that he's gone through all the steps that Trident requires to become a master certified contractor. That's intro to sealing, that's intermediate to sealing, that is doing 5 jobs, that is doing the step-by-step online class, coming to a live training where he got to see all the steps and how to perform them, and also doing the advanced training. So Anthony is really big on making sure that his education is at the top to make sure that you get the best product available with getting your jobs sealed and cleaned. So we're going to have Anthony explain why he chose Trident.
Well, I seen online about the online class and I went to it, the hands-on training, and I thought it was a great product. And they offered a bunch of training and offered me to get certified. So I did all that and I haven't had any problems. It's a great product. The customer support's great and just all around good product.
Well, that's great, man. Well, what we want to let you know is that you have the full support of Trident, that if you have any issues or anything that comes up, you can always reach out to us at any time, and we're always there to help. So if you're looking for somebody to come clean, sand, and seal your pavers, make sure you look up Anthony there at 850, and he'll come and do a really good job.